Hi, today we're doing a challenge that we got tagged in.
Yeah, about 2 people.
By 2 people, so we're going to kind of combine the questions together so we can do this. We were sick and we got tagged a while ago by Mama Bear's Instapot Cooking and Adventures. And her channel is really cool. I really enjoy her channel. She's got a lot of good recipes on there for the Instapot. And you can see bears and all kinds of different wildlife outside her home in the Smoky Mountains.
Oh, she got a picture of a hummingbird right at her doorbell.
Yeah.
That was pretty cool.
Yep. And then she also does some time in Florida, and she's down there in Florida sometimes. And she had some really neat like Christmas lights from Florida and different areas in Florida. So, and with Susan at New Horizons is an awesome channel. She has different traveling adventures. She has an RV, and so she goes RVing, and she explores different handicap accessible places in national parks and state parks, and down in Tennessee and Indiana and Mayberry. Her Mayberry videos are amazing. If you ever wanted to see the town where Andy Griffith kind of like grew up in, and
the movie was based from.
What Mayberry, the town of Mayberry, was based on in Mount Airy, North Carolina.
Yep.
Very good videos. Awesome. And so we're going to go ahead and get this challenge, get to know us tag.
Yeah,
questions
I guess that's
going.
what we can call it. Get to know us.
Some of these are homesteading questions. We're not technically homesteaders, but we have done a lot of homesteading things. So we were kind of homesteaders for a while. Our kids went through 10 years of 4-H, and I was in 4-H, and so we grew in gardens, and we can, and so some of these questions do pertain to us, and some of them don't. So I'm kind of going through them and probably answer more of the ones that would pertain to us in our channel. Number one is, what got us into homesteading? I like canning. I like to eat fresh
preserving
stuff.
your own foods.
And I love animals. I've raised rabbits for over 30 years, and I've shown them and done a lot of different things with them.
We still got rabbits right now.
Yep. And then chickens. So we had chickens for a number of years, and I enjoyed them.
Chickens.
We incubated them and hatched them out, and gathered eggs. We
raised our own.
Raised them and butchered them and everything. So, and then we had mini horses. We enjoyed the mini horses.
Had 3 mini horses.
Yep. So we've had a number of different things here that pertain to homestead. And I think it's more the animals for me and what got me into the homesteading.
Yeah.
What projects do we have for 2020 involving kind of homesteading stuff? Would be.
We're going to try to start our new garden.
Yes. We're going to do tomatoes and peppers, and
we're going to try our garden again. We don't have green thumbs at all.
not real green thumbs. I've grown some things, but mostly it's stuff that just comes up on its own.
Yeah.
We've done tomatoes in the past. Yeah. And then we had some problems with blossom rot. We kind of got discouraged.
So we got away from it.
Because we were
for
having
a few
trouble
years.
With diseases.
This year we're going to try to do some more gardening.
Dumping my rabbit manure out there so we can till it right in the spring. So, bunny power.
Yeah, I hope so. Maybe that'll help.
What's the most difficult lesson learned while homesteading?
I don't know.
What it is for you. Mine, it would be not getting too attached to animals that we are going to be eating. That would be mine.
Well, the most difficult part is butchering your own animals.
Yeah. Well, that comes in the part of that is the dispatch part of butchering.
Especially if you're not familiar with how to do it.
Well, me, it's just getting too attached and not learning not to do that.
Yeah,
I have a hard time.
Yeah, you do.
With that part of it.
Me, I don't have a problem with doing that. Getting attached like that.
I do.
I only had one rooster that I was attached to, and other than that.
What is your favorite chore?
I have no favorite chores.
You just don't like doing chores, huh?
Nope, I don't.
My favorite chore is I like after feeding the rabbits. I like to go out and feed the rabbits. That's probably my favorite chore, because when they're all got their bowls full. All you can hear is munch, 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 and crunch when they're eating, and it's kind of neat because it's like, oh yeah, they're all
I guess it is
down.
a chore going out and checking on the baby bunnies when they're born.
Yeah,
that'd be a favorite chore.
That's your favorite chore, is checking on the babies,
making sure they're still alive and checking on them.
Yeah,
seeing the progress.
Seeing the progress of them growing.
Yep.
What's your favorite thing to grow?
I don't really know.
Mine would be tomatoes. I like to grow tomatoes.
Right now, my favorite thing at the moment of growing is milkweed.
Milkweed,
trying to get the milkweed to grow.
But that's not really a homesteading thing.
No,
but
it is, but
it's a gardening thing.
It's a gardening thing. My favorite thing is going to be growing. I'm going to try to get some dang on pickles this year, so I don't have to go out and buy my pickles.
That's right. We're going to grow our own pickles.
Pickle cucumbers.
Pickling cucumbers. Let's see. What do you love the most about homesteading? About the homesteading community? I like learning new things.
Yeah, learning the new things.
Learning
easier ways to do the things that you're doing now.
Or different ideas on how to do things that you never thought of before.
Yeah.
Getting the community together, different videos of different people post different ways to do stuff, or how they handle their fencing, or different troubles that they've come up with, or problems that they've come up with that they've solved, that you might have that same problem. And it's like, wow, I never looked at that from that direction or that way.
Yep.
And it's really interesting to see how different people solve the problems in homesteading. Like the water glassing thing, or seeing traditional methods or old recipes or old ways of doing things that I didn't even know about, that people 100 years ago knew about, but that wasn't passed on to the next generation.
Yep. It's almost forgotten.
Like the water glassing.
Yeah,
that
water
was really
glassing
cool.
is really
eggs,
cool.
For storing eggs. I thought that was the neatest thing ever. What's your favorite meal to make? I know what yours is.
That's mine.
Chili.
Oh yeah.
Chili's your favorite meal to make, and you make it really good. My favorite meal to make.
I know what yours is.
What do you think mine is?
Yours is going to be mojo chicken.
Yes, it is. Yeah, I would say mojo chicken. It's probably my favorite.
And it's really good, too. You do a good job at it.
Yeah. Another question is, do you plan to stay or move? Right now we plan to stay, but in the future, I would like to move.
Yeah.
So
it's getting too city.
There's getting a lot of subdivisions around here.
Yeah, it's getting too cityfied.
We live next to a cornfield, but when that cornfield goes, it's going to be all houses over there, and we're going to be landlocked around here.
And that'll be time to go.
Yeah.
Which I hate to leave, but...
What are some of the other homestead channels that you follow? Well, we mentioned Reap What You Sow.
Reap What You Sow. And there's another one I just started watching more of. It's In Your Yard Homestead.
In Your Yard, yeah.
He's from he's got to be from Australia.
Yeah, I really enjoyed those channels.
And, of course, Mama Bear's Instapot Cooking. What's a couple more?
Whippoorwill Holler, but
Whippoorwill
they have
Holler.
a homestead there too.
Yeah, they're a homestead.
Yeah.
They got a really good channel, Whippoorwill Holler.
Oh my gosh, I like their recipes and everything there, and seeing sometimes they show their chickens on there and stuff too.
They got chickens.
Yeah.
They just got done making a real flower bed.
Yes,
it's a bed that turned into a flower bed.
An old bed, yeah.
That's pretty cool. I would like to have one of those. It would be neat.
And let's see. Oh, and the Canterbury Trails Farm is another one. Yeah, that's another one we follow.
We follow a lot of them. I just can't think of them.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday?
These are more pertaining to the get to know us.
More get to know us. My favorite holiday would probably be, I don't know, Halloween probably. Or 4th of July.
4th of July? You like 4th of July more than Halloween or Christmas?
Yeah, maybe. Anything that's got a party to it.
Mine would probably be Christmas, just because you get together with family.
Yeah.
I really like that.
Well, 4th of July, we usually get together with family a lot of times on 4th of July.
Sometimes, yeah.
Sometimes. Not all the time.
Barbecues and that sort of thing,
I do like to cook on the grill. I'm not very good at it.
Let's see.
But I like doing it.
Are you a dog or a cat person?
I'm a dog person.
I'm both. I'm an animal person, period. I like birds, I like dogs, I like cats, I like horses, I like rabbits.
I don't mind cats, it's just they get on my nerves. Because they're stubborn.
Because they're smart.
That's why they get on my nerves, because they're too smart for their own good. Dogs are smart too.
Uh-huh.
You can have a dog listen. Cats, they're like, nope, I do what I want.
They do. Let's see. If you could change careers, what would you do?
I'd be a professional fisherman.
I bet you would.
I'd love to have that career. I sure would.
My career, I would like to work in a zoo.
Yeah,
I'd love to work at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Would be my dream job, is taking care of the animals and interacting with people at Animal Kingdom.
Yeah, you would. We were just watching
or working at the horse barn at Disney down there at the horse barn. That would be awesome too.
Yeah, because you love horses.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. What makes you the happiest? What's something that makes you the happiest? Thinking about it? You don't know. I don't know.
You make me happy, but
aw, you make me happy too.
I'm happy when I'm fishing. Unless I'm not catching, then I'll get grumpy.
I'm happy as just out in the boat or out hiking with you. That's for me. I like it. That's the happiest thing, is when we go out and we are doing something together.
And actually today, we're going out hiking in the snow today.
Yep, we are.
Hopefully it makes me happy and not grumpy. Because I'm not much on the cold. But once you get out there and you get moving, you get warmed up and you're fine.
Yeah. Which of the 7 wonders of the world would you visit?
I don't know, because I don't know what the 7 wonders of the world are.
I would say the Great Pyramids in Egypt.
That would be cool.
I think that would be neat to visit, because they're so big, and just to see them, it's like a vast, huge thing, and just to think that humans created that is pretty cool. What major historical event took place the year you were born?
Oh crap, I should have looked that up, because I have no idea.
I forgot to look that one up.
I did too. I have no idea.
1977.
Major historical event happened when I was born was me being born.
Major historical event. Easter, I was born on Palm Sunday. I know that much. I know I was born on Palm Sunday.
I have no idea on mine. I would have to look that up. I can look it up right now on the phone.
If you won the lotto tomorrow, what would be your first expense?
Getting a new RV. Paying off my bills.
Paying off my bills first.
Yep.
And that'd be my first thing.
Yep, pay off my bills, get me a motor home. I don't know. Nah, I'd rather have a camper.
And a new truck for you.
Yeah.
A camper and a new truck for you.
Yeah.
Or a camper and a boat to pull behind the camper or RV.
Yeah, RV and then a boat to pull behind the RV. I'd get a van RV though. I wouldn't want
a camper van?
Yeah, a camper van. I don't want something huge.
I'd get one of those Class C ones.
Yeah, I don't want to have to get a
Class C. Yeah.
I don't want to have to get a new license to drive it.
I don't think you need one.
You gotta have a CDL on some of them.
Maybe the Class A's.
At least I think you do.
I don't know enough about it.
I don't know either. I just know I don't think I'd be able to drive something that big.
We're learning about it because we do want to get a little teardrop camper.
Yeah, we're looking at getting a RTTC.
Mm-hmm.
That would be awesome.
That, and I would probably donate to some local charities. Yeah. definitely.
Cause we can't go full time because we got the glass shop.
We could get a camper that has a toy hauler. We could set up the workshop in the back and the toy hauler area.
Yeah, you probably would too.
I would too.
I know you would.
Let's see. Do you have any irrational fears?
I don't know what irrational
Means,
fears mean.
You're afraid of something that you don't really understand why you're totally afraid of it. You shouldn't be as afraid of it as you are.
Yeah, heights.
Yeah, yours is heights.
And I don't understand why I'm scared of heights because I mean they really don't. Once I'm up there, it don't bother me. It's just getting down. I don't know.
Mine is snakes. I'm not totally afraid of them. I like to look at them and watch them, but when they're like loose on the ground and they're near me, I kind of freak out.
Yeah, you do.
Like when we went to Potato Creek and we were hiking along the lake, and I walked right past that darn thing, and I was on the other side of it, and you go, oh, there's a snake. I'm like, where? Oh my gosh, where? Freaking out.
You went past it.
I walked right past it, didn't see it. And then after the fact, I was freaked out.
Ground, though.
It was a water snake.
Yeah, it was.
It was just an eastern water snake. Not venomous.
No.
Not really particularly aggressive or anything
Snakes
like that.
are actually good.
Yeah, they keep
They're
the
good to have around.
rodent population in check, and they keep a lot of things in check, actually.
Yep.
So they have their purposes.
Yep.
And I don't mind them, but I don't want them, like, on me or really close to me or coming close to me, like towards me. That freaks me out. But I do like, that one time we were down at Brookville Dam in Indiana.
Yeah, that was a cool snake.
We found a water snake along the side of the spillway at the dam, and it had a trout. It was trying to swallow this huge
a
trout.
in its mouth.
That was really cool.
That was. I got some pictures of that. I have no idea where those pictures are.
They're on the computer.
Are they?
Mm-hmm.
That'd be awesome.
Yeah, that was really cool. I've never seen anything like that before.
If I can find that picture, I'll throw it in the video.
Yeah.
In the corner.
We'll throw it on the
Up
bottom.
on the top left corner.
Yeah. Because that was really cool.
Yep, it was.
Well, that's all our questions that I pulled off of here. Thank you to Mama Bear's Instapot Cooking and Adventures and New Horizons for tagging us.
Yep, New Horizons will be in the description.
Yep, we'll put these in the description.
But so if you want to do these questions,
feel free to take this as a tag and
tell them that we tagged you.
Yep, if you want to do with these questions, that'd be great.
Yep.
And that's it for today.
That's it.
That's getting to know us.
We got to get ready and go hiking.
Yep. See you later.
See you later.
We'll see you on the trail.
Watching.